Well, it's a lovely cold morning. I gotta scrape my windows. I'm heading into the shop so I can work on my buddy Shaun's truck some more. But yeah, I gotta scrape windows first. Oh, I need to buy a scraper. Well guys, I'm working on my buddy Shaun's truck today. It's a 1993 Cummins. It's the same one that we did the battery, dual battery job on. His heater is not working, and he also needs his e-brake cables replaced, so we're going to go ahead and do all that stuff as well. But first I'm going to get his heater working, because it's no fun driving when your windows are all frosted up and you don't have any way to defrost them. So, safety first, not third. It's usually third, but not today. Alright, so this guy here, I don't know if it has power or not. Oh, wipers are going full bore. Yeah, not drawing any additional current. So, you know what, before I kill his battery, I'm gonna go pop the hood and disconnect his grid heater. That way it doesn't draw all the current, because I'm gonna be key on and off a lot.
Oh, we got Steve here all up in my dash, taking things apart, making them happy and yippee skippy.
All up in your business.
Ooh, show him the melted bit.
Oh yeah.
This might be my problem. That is what one says. Very melted.
Yeah, look at the discoloration on the plug. It got hot.
Got real hot.
Yeah.
I mean, it is a heater if that means anything.
No.
No. Dirty jokes.
The wires get hot, and that's how it knows that it's warm enough to warm up your vehicle.
Dexterity -3 gloves, but it's
You know, for the protection bonus, it's really worth it.
yeah, I like to be able to feel my fingers, because without feeling in your fingers, your dexterity's not great. So
Hey man, cold damage is always bad for melee fighters.
yeah. It's not cable driven.
And be careful not to break the things when you take them off. Because I have totally broken these little tabs before.
Oh, don't need that anymore. Just kidding.
Just chucks it. My solid A-grade winter weight, giant 4 1/4.
Wow, this thing is so old. Look at your circuit board. It's just so simplistic.
I love first gens.
Yeah.
5 wires and it's just good.
Yeah.
Don't look at the windshield.
That's better than my Cummins was.
Aw, jeez.
Yeah, it was.
Just like that melted monstrosity down there.
Alrighty, well, I've figured out that this one right here is not getting any power. So I've got the multimeter grounded right now, and we've got power to this rail. No power to this rail though. So now, that's why the heater's not working, because the heater is this red one right there, AC heater. Window works, but that's because it's on its own fused one down there. So I got to figure out what color wire this is for starters, and then we can figure out where it goes to and why it doesn't have any power. So I'll cut this strap off, and then we'll get into it, figure out what wire this one is, and then back trace it to the battery. And then it should work. It should work. Well, I traced the wire. It is this one, the black one with the orange stripe, or black with pink stripe. I can't really tell. Anyways, I traced the wire back and then up into the steering column. So I am in the process of taking the steering column apart to gain access to the back of the switch assembly. When you're taking apart the steering column, there's a bunch of little Torx guys under there. They're, well, I used a T15 long boy. Oop, finger in the way. Oh, come on, you just focused. Torx 15 by 4 inches, and this will get you right deep inside her, so that helps. And you also got your tilt. If your column has tilt, this thing's got to come out. Sometimes people just absolutely crank those in. Not fun to get out if they've done that. Or like one that I was dealing with a little while ago, they'll cross thread it. Can't do that. This one is not though. This one was taken care of. Whatever. Anyways, gotta get this apart. Should have a little snap on the back. There we go. Yeah, little tabby guy just holding her in, so nothing broke. We're all good. So there'll be one more bolt right there holding the bottom clamshell together, and then we should have access. I have no idea if you guys can see this or not. Man, this road's getting busy. It's got to be getting close to noon. There. Sorry about all the traffic noise, guys. Yeah, this is the guy right here. And it looks like it's half pulled out. Oh, I don't even think you guys even saw any of that. This guy right here, this black one, goes into here. Looks like it's half pulled out, so that's not good. So I'll get into this thing and see what is going on. But yeah, traced her back here. Actually, let's see. Ignition on. No power. Yeah, so I'm thinking the problem is inside here. Inside here. Yeah, no power on this guy. Well, I took that ignition module all apart, and turns out it is no good. I cleaned it all up, it doesn't work. What I did figure out though is that if I hook this wire up to either one of those, the heater kicks on. So this is the problem. Shaun is eventually going to be replacing this, like the whole cab. He's doing a 41, I think, international swap. And what he's going to be doing is, well, he doesn't want to spend money when he doesn't need to. So I'm going to cut these two wires off, run a power wire to probably here, and have a toggle switch. Just toggle switch it on, then all your accessories work, heater will work, and it should be good to go. Because yeah, the problem is this: I don't have a spare one, unfortunately, and we don't think it's a good way to spend money. So I'll bypass it for now. I'll go pick up a switch, I'll pop that guy out, drill a hole, and then run the wires to it. But at least I figured it out, so that's a positive. But now I got to take this bottom shroud apart and pull those two wires back and then move them over. But figured it out, and maybe now his gauges will all work. We'll find out. Yes, we will.